Good morning. It's that time of day. Gotta open up for the chickens. Of course, it's raining today. Raining and chickens, never fun. Chickens don't know that. Alright, so we've got our 3-lock system. We took off the 3rd lock, 2nd lock, 1st lock, and then here are the ladies coming out. The ladies. Good morning. It's raining this morning. We've just let all the chickens out. Anyway, we're gonna be putting some food in some dry places for them. But what we do in the rain is we have this shade cover that I've attached with cleats up to the top of the coop to under. It gives them another place. They also have under their coops, they have, this is an old coop that they actually like to lay in. And our actual coop, if you can see, has a big space underneath of it for them to be able to be dry. Chickens don't like to be wet. Right now they're barking at me because they're ready to be fed. So it kind of helps them to keep dry. So anyway, anyway, they want their treats this morning.
So, since this is wet food, I decided I might get some scratch that they can eat on. I just toss it over here, and they love eating scratch. Everyone's coming to the scratch party.
All right. The kid gave them their scratch. They're so excited. It's underneath of the our rain cover. So they kind of like that. And they'll be enjoying their morning, just enjoying themselves. Take care. Have a great, fun day.